Okay, good morning, students. We are continuing our discussion or our lesson from High School Book 1, Matayom 1. Last week, chapter 1, we talked about Introduction to Science. We talked about Introduction to Science, how science has helped us, how science has improved our system, our technology system. But today we are going to look to page 3, or the questions in page 3. The questions in page 3. But before, I want to show you these pictures. You can see there are some symbols. Chapter 1, page 1. Go to chapter 1, page 1. There are some symbols under the benefits of science. We are finished with this, so we are just looking at this one in a quick way, and then we will continue. We have these symbols. If you see these symbols on any container, it represents something. It represents something. For example, the first one, if you see, is explosive symbol in science. And then flammable. And then corrosive. We have poisonous. If you see this, it's poisonous. And we have radioactive. And then we have irritant. So these symbols, I want you to write them in Thai, translate in Thai, so that you can understand it very better. They are dangers of science. That you see, if you see it on any container, you have to know the meaning of those symbols. So they are called hazard warning symbols. And it translates Pasatai Duaika. So let's quickly move to page 3. Page 3, question 3. Question 3. You have to first translate. You have to translate the meaning of the answers. We have meteorologist. Who is a meteorologist? Ecologist. Who is an ecologist? We have botanist. Science teacher. We have engineer. We have geologist, physiologist, astronomer, surgeon, pharmacist. And it translates in Thai, so that we will use it to answer question A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So I want you to translate them in Thai, and let's answer. So code A, a person who studies rocks and mineral. Ponlian, rocks. Minerals. What is the name given to such person? What is the name given to such person? A person who studies rocks and minerals. It's called geologist. You need in your book, geologist. So Kianko A, geologist. Kobe, a person who studies planets. We have, my very eyes may just see the 9 planets. Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, They are planets. They are called planets. They are the planets: Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Uranus, Neptune. They are called planets. What is the name given to that person? That person is called astronomy. Astronomy. It's in your book. Kosi, a person who studied the weather forecast. Korean weather forecast. Wani, sunshine. Kuni, phone. Konbok. Two. Meteorologist, person who studied weather. And then we have Kodi, a person who studied the composition of medicine. Composition of medicine is pharmacist. Kodi. Topai. Koi. A person who studied diseases and corrective surgical techniques is called surgeon. A surgeon. A person who studied plants. A person who studied plants is called botanist. So you can see Koji, H-I-J, Koji, H-I-J, tam in. So that is where we will bring our discussion to an end. We will continue next week. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.